This is our compost tea brewer. We have a 800-liter water tank mounted on this trailer, and I'll fill it about 3/4 of the way full or so with about 600 liters of rainwater. And then I have a tea bag here made of like really fine screen, and inside we have about 10 pounds of compost. So we put the compost in the bag, zip it up, and then I can drop this bag into the tank of water. Hook the strap on here. Then I fire up this industrial air blower, which pushes air through this pipe into the bottom of the tank. And as the air bubbles up through the solution, it agitates the whole tank, and all that beneficial biology within the compost now gets agitated and becomes suspended in the water. So you have quadrillions of beneficial organisms now swimming around in the water. The water turns black. We let it bubble for about 4 to 6 hours, and then after I unplug this hose and hook on the garden hose, and now I can distribute this compost tea out into the garden through the hose. So as you can see, I have a small trailer hitch on the front of the mower, so I can just hook this trailer onto the mower, and now I can use this mower to move 600 liters of compost tea around. I can pull this trailer right up to each water tank and pump out of the water tank into the trailer, and then move it to whatever section of garden I want to water. We generally try to water about 1/5 of the garden every day and make compost tea 5 days a week, and that way all of the garden gets a good heavy watering once a week.